When I was first born, first thing my dad did was put me in front of a computer, and it must have worked because I don't actually remember a time when I didn't love computers. It's definitely always the path I thought I'd go down. I'm studying a Bachelor of Computer Science, majoring in software development. It's really important in fast-moving fields like technology where you have to be adaptive and fast-paced, and so I found that Griffith could match that pace of the industry. Our lecturers, they work really closely with industry on various projects, applying their research. They quite often come to our students to ask us for help implementing their ideas. You learn algorithms and things like that in your courses, but you're actually applying these sort of abstract building blocks to problems. You get to put relevant industry experience on your resume before you graduate, and so that is really attractive to employers. I chose Griffith University because an ICT degree at Griffith gives you the skills to be at the forefront of technology.